Gentlemen, welcome. This debate follows President Isaias's recent interview. Isaias offered a sharply worded critique of Prime Minister Abiy and his regime. Tonight, we ask why these words were used and whether they stand.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the opportunity to debate once again. As you probably know me, I don't speak in riddles or flattery. I speak plainly. When leadership collapses into dependency, puppetry, and recklessness, words must match reality. These descriptions were not insults. They were diagnoses of his leadership's behavior.
A beggar.
I am not a beggar. Aid and partnerships are normal. Calling me a beggar is disrespectful. Beggars wait. When your budget, weapons, and legitimacy come from donors you're not leading, you're lining up. On top of that, you called me puppet. I reject the claim that I'm controlled by foreign powers. Explain why your policies change with every sponsor. Independent leaders decide first. Puppets check who's paying. All decisions are mine. I don't wait on anyone's approval. Stop questioning and insulting my leadership. Sure, just like the speeches are yours. Save that performance for someone who doesn't know you. What you call leadership is weakness and your economy is illusion. And even your speeches come from others. You also use lazy and gutless. I lead a nation of over 130 million under constant pressure. Courage is not speeches, it is accountability. Lazy leadership avoids reform and chooses shortcuts. Gutless leadership provokes conflict instead of confronting internal failures. You chose war because reform scared you. That's not pressure, that's fear. I never incited war against my own people. What is the source of your accusation? You didn't unite citizens, you ranked them. You didn't resolve grievances, you made them worse. For political gain, you armed divisions. Leaders heal them, you monetize them. Apparently, I am greedy too. Maybe developments and progress I am. You are greedy for applause, greedy for land, greedy for legacy without responsibility. You are greedy for attention. Development doesn't need ego, it needs discipline. Your words are insults. They undermine diplomacy. Diplomacy doesn't require lying. If the truth offends you, fix the truth, not the messenger. I stand by every word I used. The truth can be painful, but it remains the truth.